I'd go on air raid with Shane. You ready, Shane?
Yeah.
Here we go. Well, I should say air raid 2. My first time on this ride.
Me and Carl, Carl.
I'm singing my love songs and you
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
And the original air raid, the first one for M&D's at the moment.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
It's in the morning stream line. It's the air raid. Here we go.
Yes. Here we go. Woo!
Let's go.
Wow. Here we go! Woo! I can feel the force now!
Yeah, me too.
Woo! Loving it, loving it, loving it!
If you want to go faster, somebody scream!
Woo! Here we go on air raid 2! More speed, more power! Woo! Woo! Oh yeah!
Let's take it to the sky. Hold up!
Oh, hang time!
We're slowing it down. We're walking inside the zone.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh wow.
Oh! Hang time!
Oh jeez.
Oh my, ow! My bit! Oh!
I'm gonna be a female. That's right.
Oh my goodness me! My bits and bobs got
Turn me into a
squashed.
female.
Okay, we're gonna do it some more. Faster and faster. You're rocking with Extreme Master. 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready?
Oh yes, I'm ready! Oi, oi, oi!
Somebody scream!
Woo!
Okay, he's number one in Extreme.
The only one's on it.
Extreme power machine.
Oh, that was awesome.
Now that was fantastic, not the fastest extreme, but a really good one. Enjoy it, Shane?
Yep, that was awesome.